Let's talk about non-terrestrial networks. As of 2026, there are more than 150 players in the NTN domain. Some major operators in the NTN networks include Starlink, Amazon's Leo, Eutelsat, and so on. But what exactly is meant by non-terrestrial networks? Non-terrestrial networks has three major components: a user equipment and a satellite and a ground station which is used for connecting to the 5G core network. So the satellite basically acts as a passive component that forwards the signals that is received from the user equipment or from the ground station. Sometimes it might also perform frequency conversion. The satellite would be located in either of LEO, MEO, or GEO orbits. So LEO stands for low Earth orbit, which is like around 700 to 1200 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. Geo satellite stands for geosynchronous satellites, so they stand like around 36,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. MEO satellites stand somewhere in between. Then there are also HAPS. So HAPS stands for high altitude platform system, some kind of pseudo satellites like a drone or a balloon or something. A major problem that is faced by NTN networks is the propagation delay and Doppler shift. So Doppler shift implies that as the satellite and the UE comes towards each other, the frequency increases, and as they go away from each other, the frequency decreases. So this implies that the orthogonality of the OFDM signals that is used in uplink and downlink transmission in 5G systems could be destroyed. Another problem is the huge propagation delay. Consider a GEO satellite. So the distance between the UE and the satellite would be as high as 36,000 kilometers. So the time taken for the signal to go from the UE to the satellite, to reflect to the ground station and back to the UE would be quite high. This round trip time would be quite high. Consequently, the propagation delay for the signal would also be high. And this leads to uplink, downlink synchronization destruction. Therefore, a majority of satellites these days are LEO satellites. So that was a brief explanation about non-terrestrial networks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and bye-bye.